performance represents this childhood of the talented individuals who toil diligently to preserve the cosmos.
As we roister our Mother Nature, let's be sure that nature is the source of true knowledge. Regardless of who you are, allow nature's peace to flow into you.
Let's drown out the regular world and dive together into a universe where experience reigns supreme.
Let's get dived into a theoretical tale of the Garden of Hope.
Nature is the art of God. Nature is made of everything we see around us. The trees, the plants, the flowers, animals, birds, and the forest. The beauty of nature lies in its freshness, openness, gentle breeze, and warm sunlight. We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. Look deep into nature and then you will understand even better. Nature is called Mother Earth because she nurtures us with all our needs just like a mother. Mother Earth just opens her arms and welcomes everyone.
Of my creation, I have worked tirelessly to make this planet Earth a beautiful and thriving home for all living things. My forests are lush and green, providing shade and shelter for countless creatures. Oh, what a breathtaking sight as the warm sunlight gently danced through the leaves of the trees, rustled the branches, releasing the sweet fragrance. The earth is filled with the songs of birds and animals. I am the beauty that surrounds and enfolds. I am the song that echoes through the ages. Come, dear children, and walk and dance upon my ground. Listen to my whispers and feel my love. For I am Mother Earth, and this is my rhyme. A celebration of beauty that's simply sublime.